Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have the necessary edit or ownership rights. Otherwise, you cannot transfer ownership. Open the sheet in Google Drive or the Sheets app and click the Share button to expose the collaborators list. Once visible, scan for the person you want to make owner and ensure they have a Google account. Otherwise, the transfer will fail. Make sure to remove any pending invitation blockers and keep the sheet open while you proceed to change the permission level. Now you assign the owner role. Locate the collaborator in the Share dialog and use the permission drop-down next to their name to select Make Owner. Once you pick Make Owner, confirm the change in the dialog that explains consequences. This hands over administrative control, including removal of your own ownership. If the person isn't listed, add them as an editor, then repeat the drop-down step and refresh the sheet. Remember that transfers across domains can be restricted, so adapt accordingly if the option is unavailable. Finish by confirming the change. Close and reopen the Share dialog to see the new owner label next to their name. Once done, make sure to communicate with the new owner about access expectations and any shared settings like linked drives or scripts. If the transfer was blocked, check your Google Workspace domain settings or contact your admin because transfers outside domains are often restricted. If you accidentally lose access, ask the new owner to re-grant you editor rights or transfer ownership back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.